Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Moil Public School Sita Sawangi. I am your computer teacher. This is standard 4th. Our today's topic is Logo Second Part 1. In this video we will discuss about understand the use of following logo commands, that is show turtles, hide turtle, pen up, pen down, pen erase and repeat commands. So these commands we will see in this video. Okay, so let's start. The turtle says, "Hey Dobo, how are you? I hope you must have enjoyed using logo commands and drawing various shapes in logo with the help of logo primitives." Then Dobo says, "Yes, Mr. Turtle, I truly enjoyed working with logo primitives and drawing various shapes taught by our mathematics teachers. I have drawn triangle, square, rectangle, and also writing my name using logo primitives. It's actually fun using logo. Now I can proudly say that I have completely learned a computer language." Then Turtle says, "I guess not yet. There are still some more logo commands left to discuss." Okay, then Dobo says, "Oh really? Could you please help me learn rest of commands as well?" Then Turtle says, "Sure, my pleasure. I will discuss some more logo commands, but before we start discussing further, would you like to play with me?" Then Dobo says, "Oh sure, Mr. Turtle, tell me which game." Then Turtle says, "Would you like to play hide and seek with me? It will be the great fun." Then Dobo says, "Sure, let's play." Then Turtle says, "Dobo, to play hide and seek with me, you need to use ST command and press the enter. When you will use ST, I will become invisible." See student, I used here ST means hide turtle command and then press enter. The hide ST means to command this hide the turtles. Okay, observe the figures as shown in after the typing the ST. Turtle is not visible in this figure. Now Dobo types the following commands as shown in the images, but Turtle says, "Dobo, find me if you can. I am visible, but I can move anywhere on the screen." Then Dobo says, "Oh Turtle, how can we see you again? Please come out. I give up. I can't find you." Then Turtle says, "Hey Dobo, you mean I have won the game? If yes, type ST and press enter key." When we use ST commands, the ST commands means these commands will make the turtles reappear on the screen. When we use this is when we type ST and then press enter, the turtle is appear again. Observe that the pictures are shown below the after using ST command. Turtles is again visible after using a ST command. Okay. Now Dobo says, "Oh, my turtle is turning and moving but not drawing anything." Then Turtle says, "Dobo, don't worry. Let me check. Oh, my pen is up." Then Dobo says, "What do you mean by pen up?" Then Turtle says, "Dobo, it can be assumed that I am holding a pen in my hand to draw. When I move, I draw a trail behind me with my pen." Then Turtle says again, "Sometimes it is required that I should move but do not draw. In that case, a logo primitives, that is PU, can be used." PU means pen up. These commands lifts up the pen up. These commands will move the turtles but not draw anything on the screen. Okay, let's check how it works. When Dobo use a PU command, Dobo says, "This is amazing. Now if I want to put down the pen again?" Then Turtle says, "Sure, you can easily put my pen down with the help of PD commands." So the fourth is a PD, so pen down. This command puts the pen down and allows turtles to draw again. Okay. Then, but do you know, by default the turtle is pen down condition. Okay. The Turtle says, "Dobo, have you ever noticed or counted the number of times you leave the pen or pencil while writing?" And Dobo says, not really, but I guess while writing 2 or 3 digit numbers, I lift the pen similarly. Similarly, to give space between the different words in a sentence, I lift my pen up. Dobo practice something. Let's see what they practice. What Dobo practice. Dobo says, oops, I typed the following logo commands to draw number 11, but something went wrong. In images, Dobo writing 11 by using logo, but the second one is long than the first one. Then Dobo says use CS command to clear the screen, but Dobo says it will clear the whole screen. I want to rub only the extra line, not my whole drawing. Mr. Turtle, is it possible to erase only some part of line or drawing? Then Turtle says, don't worry friend, type the following 2 or more commands to correct your drawing. That is PE and BK50. Okay. PE means pen eraser. Okay, so let's start. Dobo says, thanks, I am amazed by the use of P commands. Please tell something more about it. In the images we see by using the P command. This command is like a eraser which is used only to erase some part of drawing. This command does work of an eraser. The P command is used to rub or erase any portion of a drawing. Turtle says, don't forget to put the pen down with the PD commands after using pen eraser. Okay. Then Dobo says, to draw a square I need to write the same some commands again and again. Mr. Turtle, I used the following commands to draw the square. This which is I will show you in the screen. FD50, LT90. This is 1 per second. 4 times it repeat. Then the Dobo asks to draw the square. I type total 8 commands, out of which pair of 2 commands, FD50 and LT90s, means forward and left turn, is repeated 4 times. Then I wish there could be the some way so that I don't have repeat these commands again and again. It's a boring, beside the chances of error increasing when some commands are typed repeatedly. Then Turtle says, I guess I can grant this wish as well. I can tell you a logo command which can be used as a shortcut in place of repeated commands. Then Dobo says, oh really, you are like a genie to me. Please tell me the command. The command is a repeat command. This is used to repeat the commands n number of times. The syntax is repeat n and instruction list. This will repeat the instruction given in the square bracket n number of times. Example, repeat 4 FD50 LT90 and then enter. In the above example, 4 is the number of and FD and LT90 form of the instruction list. Therefore the instruction that is list, that is 2 commands FD and LT, will repeat it 4 times. Any polygon can be drawn very easily with the help of a repeat command, which is repeat number of side of the figure, number of steps to be moved. Always divide the number of 360 by the number of sides of the figure. But do you know, we can decrease A and increase B to make a smaller circle, but the product of A and B should be 360. Okay, I hope you all are understand the logo second, and in the next video we will practically do that all the commands. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.